So kids, V for vase, V for violin, V for van. Good morning my dear little kids. How are you all? Hope you all are good. So kids, today I am taking work in our English notebook. Okay. So very first kids, you have to write here CW and downside you have to write today's date. Okay. Like this. So kids, today we are going to write letter V. Okay. Which letter is this? This is letter V. So kids, what is the formation of letter V? First you have to make one slant line like this. Then you go upside and make one more slant line. Okay. So downside you have to make one left slant line. Then go up and make right slant line. So this is letter V. Okay. V for van. V for van. Okay kids, now come downside. Now here we have already one letter V. So from this second dot we have to write letter V. So look here kids, what is the formation of letter V? So kids, we have one dot here. So from this dot to this line you have to make slant line. Okay. Then from this line you go up, touch this red line and make one more slant line. Okay, like this. So this is letter V. Again from this dot to this line make slant line. Then from this line go up, touch this red line and make one more slant line like this. Okay. Again come downside and make slant line. Then go up and touch this red line, make slant line. Okay kids. So kids, like this you have to complete this full page. Okay, this is your CW page. Now come to our HW page. Okay, so on this HW page we have some small activities. So your first question is circle the letter V. Okay, so which letter is this? Letter V. Okay, so we have one design here and inside we have different letters here. So what you have to do, you have to find out only the letter V and you have to circle the letter V only. Okay, so let's start. Where is letter V? This is letter V. Yes, this is letter V. So you have to circle this. Okay, like this. Now this is letter V. No. This is letter V. No. This is no. No. This is letter V. No. So where is letter V? Here. This is letter V. Okay. So kids, you have to circle this letter V. Okay. Now this is letter V. No. This is letter A. This is letter V. Yes. This is letter V. So you have to circle this. Now our last and next letter is letter U. Okay, so you have to leave this. So now our this activity is completed. Now come downside. What is your question kids? See the picture and write the correct letter. Okay, so this side we have some pictures. So you have to see the pictures and write the first initial letter which is related to this picture. Okay, so kids, what is this? Yes, very good. This is V for West. V for West. Okay, जो हमारे इनर्स होते हैं ना उसको बोलते हैं वेस्ट. Okay, so this is V for West. So what you have to do kids, you have to write here letter V. So on this red line you have to put single dot. Then from this dot to this line you have to make slant line. Then from here you have to go upside and touch this red line and make one more slant line like this. Okay, so this is letter V. Now come to our next picture. What is this? Yes, very good kids. This is V for vase. V for vase. Okay, so what you have to write here? here also you have to write the letter V. Okay, so again start from this red line. Okay, make slant line, go up and touch this red line, stop here. Okay, so like this you have to write here letter V. Now kids, our next picture is, can you guess it? No, I know kids, you don't guess it. This is V for vermicelli. V for vermicelli. Okay, and what is the meaning of vermicelli? यस, सेवइयाँ है ना, जो हम बना के खाते हैं ना, मिल्क में मिक्स करके बनाते हैं सेवइयाँ की खीर. सो दिस इज V फॉर वर्मिचेली. ओके, सो यू हैव टू राइट हियर लेटर V. ओके, सो स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस रेड लाइन, कम डाउन साइड, टच दिस लाइन, देन गो अप एंड टच रेड लाइन. ओके, सो दिस इज आवर homework page. So kids, like this you have to complete this both activities. Okay, so kids, this is your CW work and this is your homework work. Okay, so do your homework and CW with good handwriting and with proper formation. Okay kids, bye bye.